I'm in the studio today and we're going to take a look at the Tozo open earring. But here's the issue that I have with traditional earbuds. Most earbuds have a tendency to fall out. Also, I'm not comfortable with total ambient sound isolation. I lose too much situational awareness. Maybe I want to hear waves crashing down when I'm walking on the beach. And maybe it's a good idea to hear a horn blow when you're walking or out for a run. Have you ever had someone on a bike or a runner pass you by and you're startled because you didn't hear them coming? Yeah, so I like the idea of knowing what's going on around me. So I asked Tozo to send me a pair of their open earring design to evaluate. Now the literature at Tozo mentions all-day comfort, so I left these in for most of the day when I was doing my test, and I noticed a couple of things. Due to its light weight and it sits comfortably outside of the ear canal, I had no problem wearing these for long hours. Have you ever noticed that the further you push traditional earbuds in your canal, the deeper the bass gets? The physics of a speaker and a microphone diaphragm work much in the same way, but in opposite directions. One's input and one's output. As you get closer to a directional microphone, there's an increase in low frequency response. This is called the proximity effect. Earbuds can overpower bass frequencies if pushed in too far. Conversely, as earbuds start working their way out of the ear, the bass frequencies will get thin and tinny sounding, or they'll disappear totally in the mix. But not with these open earring buds, because they stay very snug and they stay in one place. The vocals are crisp and the high frequencies are very clear. I do like a little more bass than what comes out of the box with these, so I downloaded the Tozo app on my phone so I could customize the EQ. Now I boosted the low end and then I cut some 400 to 500 hertz. But this was my personal taste and it may not work for you. But no worries if you're not familiar with EQ customization. The app has lots of presets and they are named per genre, like blues and rock and country and hip hop, etc. You can just listen to your music and select a preset on the fly until you find one you like. So there you go, guys, the Tozo open earring. Check out the link in the description for more information.